Are you considering selling your house and maximizing the return on your investment? Preparing your property can make all the difference between a quick, top dollar sale and a prolonged, stressful process. So, where do you start? Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. Let's start with some inexpensive basics. Fix leaky faucets and running toilets, replace torn screens, and ensure doors and windows open smoothly with no squeaks. These low-cost fixes show buyers your home is well maintained. You may consider boosting your curb appeal by repainting the front door and adding mulch to freshen up your exterior. First impressions matter, and by doing this, your home will have more perceived value. What about the more pricey repairs and improvements for kitchens and bathrooms? Well, kitchens are typically the heart of the home, and buyers love to see an updated, fresh, and functional kitchen. Replace outdated cabinet hardware, install energy-efficient appliances, and upgrade your countertops. Data shows that minor kitchen upgrades generate a return on investment of about 80 to 90%. Revitalizing a bathroom by replacing faucets and toilets or installing new mirrors and light fixtures can give you a return on investment potential of 60 to 70%. Getting your property ready to sell doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the proper steps and expert guidance, you'll attract the right buyers and maximize your return. So, if you're curious about maximizing the sale of your house, reach out. We'll lay out all your options so you can make a confident decision that's best for you and your family. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.